Today we're going to make mushroom rice along with chikua salad and simmered eggplant. Today we're going to make mushroom mixed rice. First, prepare the mushrooms. Remove the stems from the shiitake mushrooms. Chop them finely. Trim the base of eringi mushroom. And slice them into small pieces, similar in size to the shiitake. Gently tear the maitake mushrooms by hand into bite-sized pieces. Finely chop the carrot as well. In a bowl, combine water, Japanese dashi powder, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Give it a quick mix. Rinse the rice in another bowl until the water runs clear. This step helps the rice cook up fluffy and clean. In a pot, add the sauce mixture, rinse the rice, and all the chopped vegetables. Stir everything well. Then place the pot over heat. Once it starts to boil, cover with a lid and reduce the heat. Let it cook until the liquid is fully absorbed. Once it's done, give it a gentle stir and serve it warm in a bowl. Next, we're gonna make lettuce and chikua salad. Chikua is a type of Japanese fish cake, often used in traditional dishes. Slice the chikua into thin rounds. Next, wash the lettuce thoroughly and tear it into bite-sized pieces by hand. In a large bowl, combine the lettuce and chikua. Add a pinch of Chinese soup stock powder, a drizzle of sesame oil, and sprinkle of white sesame seeds, and handful of salted pepper. Mix everything well until the flavors are evenly combined. This simple salad is full of umami and perfect as a refreshing side dish. Okay, next we're going to make sweet stir-fry eggplant. Start by trimming off the stem ends of the eggplants. Slice them into round or half moons. Soak them in water to remove any bitterness. Finely chop some green onions for garnish. In a small bowl, mix together sake, vinegar, soy sauce, and sugar. This will be our flavorful sauce. Drain the eggplant and coat the slices evenly with potato starch. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the eggplant. Stir fry until the eggplant becomes tender and golden. Then pour in the sauce and let it coat the eggplant evenly as you stir. Once everything is well combined, transfer to a serving dish. Sprinkle with chopped green onions. Enjoy this simple and flavorful Japanese side dish.